Today, we're diving into one of the most brutal custom SUVs on the planet, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno, a masterpiece tuned by TopCar Design. This isn't just a luxury off-roader, it's a stunning fusion of raw AMG performance and radical carbon fiber styling. From every single angle, this G-Class screams pure capability and undeniable exclusivity. So, buckle up as we explore what makes the Inferno a true automotive beast. Let's start with the foundation. The already legendary Mercedes-AMG G63. This is one of the most iconic luxury SUVs ever built, and for good reason. Under the hood, AMG has blessed it with a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse pumps out around 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, all channeled through a quick-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. The result, it rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 4.5 seconds and can hit a top speed of 220 km per hour. That is ridiculously fast for such a heavy and famously boxy machine. Inside, the G63 is pure luxury. You're surrounded by premium leather. You get cutting-edge tech, like the MBUX infotainment system, with its dual widescreen displays, and you sit in supportive AMG performance seats. It's packed with first-class comfort features that rival any top-tier luxury SUV on the market. It's the perfect blend of raw power and refined comfort. Now, this is where things get really wild. TopCar Design, an elite tuner famous for their exclusive carbon fiber upgrades, takes the already intimidating G63 and transforms it into the Inferno. This is a complete body kit crafted almost entirely from lightweight carbon fiber. We're talking about nearly every panel being replaced, from the aggressive front bumper and hood to the roof elements, rear diffuser, and massive wheel arches. The Inferno kit includes a redesigned hood with bold air inlets, new front and rear bumpers with added aerodynamic channels, and extended fender flares that give it an even wider, more muscular stance. There's also a bold carbon rear spoiler and custom LED accents that feature TopCar's signature shark logo. And you can't miss those huge forged wheels, often with carbon elements that perfectly match the rest of the theme. For those who want something a bit more subtle, TopCar also offers Inferno Lite versions, which keep some stock features, but still amplify the G-Wagon's presence with sculpted carbon accents. While most of the Inferno modifications are cosmetic, they do serve a purpose, enhancing aerodynamics and improving weight distribution thanks to the extensive use of carbon fiber. Underneath all that custom bodywork, the G63's incredible hardware remains untouched. It's still pure AMG, with adaptive damping, selectable drive modes for everything from comfort to Sport Plus, and the full off-road capability that comes straight from the factory. So whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged, muddy terrain, this SUV commands attention like nothing else. One of the best parts is that TopCar offers you a choice. You can go for the full, jaw-dropping Inferno kit, or just select a few key pieces to personalize your G-Wagon to suit your style and budget. Stepping inside, you still get to enjoy Mercedes' top-tier cabin luxury. The interior is a masterpiece of handcrafted leather, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced driver assist functions. Of course, it's filled with AMG-specific design cues that remind you you're in something special. This blend of ultra-modern technology and the classic, rugged G-Class character gives the Inferno an unmatched personality. Just look at the stunning digital dashboard, the buttery soft leather seats with the AMG embossed headrests, and all the beautiful carbon and forged trim accents scattered throughout the cabin. It's a truly special place to be. So, what ultimately makes the 2026 Mercedes-AMG G63 Inferno so special? It isn't just about the power or the looks. It's about sheer exclusivity. TopCar only builds a handful of these completely bespoke models for a very elite group of owners worldwide. When a G63 is tuned to this level, it transforms from just a car into a powerful statement of incredible performance, wealth, and true automotive artistry. It's the ultimate expression of what a luxury SUV can be. Thanks for watching our deep dive on this incredible machine. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe for more supercar deep dives and exotic builds just like this one. We'll see you in the next one.